As the gaming world eagerly anticipates the remastered edition of the classic Tomb Raider 1-3 trilogy set to launch on February 14, 2024, a cloud of concerns hovers over PC users. Reports have surfaced about technical challenges, leaving fans of Lara Croft's iconic adventures on the edge of their seats as they await solutions to ensure a smooth gaming experience. The reported issues primarily revolve around difficulties in launching Tomb Raider 1-3 remastered on certain PC configurations. Fans have taken to forums and social media to share their concerns, with some encountering performance problems, crashes, or issues with graphic settings. Developers are actively engaging with the community, assuring players that they are working diligently to address these concerns before the official launch date. To ensure that your PC is ready for Lara Croft's remastered adventures, it's crucial to meet specified system requirements. Minimum requirements. Recommended requirements. Before embarking on Lara Croft's remastered journey, players are advised to ensure their PCs meet these requirements for an optimal gaming experience. With developers actively working on solutions, the launch of Tomb Raider 1-3 Remastered promises to be a nostalgic and visually stunning adventure once the technical challenges are conquered. Stay tuned for updates and get ready to revisit Lara Croft's legendary exploits in a revamped and remastered form. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, then don't forget to press the like button. Also, do share it with your friends and families. For more videos like these, do subscribe to Gossipfunda YouTube channel. You can read more such amazing blogs on our website. Visit gossipfunda.com. Link is in the description box. Do check it out. See you in the next video.